is wept in our ruin, buried us in the light. We walk in silence till morning. We can't hide, cannot hide. We can't hide, cannot hide. We can't hide, cannot hide.
Yeah, lost my dog today. I loved him, couldn't handle him, too weak, not strong enough. Gone to a better home now, with his mum, for a bit. Then he's off to another world of love, hopefully, I don't know. Time will tell, we will see. I wish I could grow, I wasn't strong enough to look after that little puppy. Makes me sad, makes me wanna cry but I can't. One day I'll be strong enough. God bless that little doggy.